I'm here at Excalibur. We stayed here for about 5 nights, so I'll tell you all about it. But for now, I'm just going to show you the room. So at check-in, I asked for a room with the view, and she gave us the New York view. It's really nice. The only bad thing is you do hear this roller coaster at night. You will hear a lot of screaming and all that stuff. It's not too bad, but just to give you a warning, if you're looking for a quiet room, this is not the one. You also hear traffic. But we didn't care about all that. We just really wanted a view. So you see MGM over there, the Strip, New York. And it's really pretty because you can see the mountains in the morning. So as the sun comes up, it's really pretty. As far as the room goes, it's pretty basic. It does have a nice little desk area over here. This was really nice to sit at night and again, look at the view out the window. They have a little reading lamp, very rustic. Excalibur-esque. Then it's a basic TV set. It does not pull out from behind the wall. As you can see, it's just kind of secured there. And the remote, as you can see, just like a basic remote. Double queen beds. These are pretty basic also. If you take a look at the sheets, it's just kind of like a real thin sheet. And then of course you have your sheet. They only give you 2 pillows here. Some places I've seen like 4 or 6. So again, it is very basic, but it does the job. We really had a great time here and service was excellent. So I would highly recommend Excalibur. Here's the closet. It's pretty decent space. They give you about 5 hangers. And then here you go, you have your ironing board. Your iron. Bathroom here, as you can see, they give you the shampoo conditioner. They also give you some soap and some body lotion, which we used already today, so that's that. I did want to point out, there's the vanity. I want to point out how this dryer works. I've never seen it before, so basically pull this up and it just turns right on. And then to put it off, you have to put it here and it shuts off. So again, it just like turns on, so that was a little weird, but whatever, it does the job. They give you like basic towels. Here is the shower. The shower was actually really nice. It is really hot water. And of course, I did want to give you guys some basic tips, so here I am in the bathroom. If you want new towels, put them in the shower like that and they'll definitely give you more towels. For me, what I usually do is I'll just write a note and I'll say, hey, we need like 4 towels. So of course that's what this is for. So it is a long walk to the elevator. But for me, I prefer it because then you don't hear people getting on and off the elevator all the time. So it works for me. The ice machine is right over there. And here's your elevators. The most I've waited is maybe a minute. They have a set of 4 elevators, as you can see. They also have another row behind me, so elevators was never an issue at this hotel.